today I wanted to start filming my wardrobe video, but I realized that I maybe need to sell some dresses. So I will actually do the sort of KonMari method on my wardrobe to see if everything in my wardrobe still sparks joy, and if it doesn't, I will sell it. And that way, that means that my wardrobe will be only full of stuff that I actually love and want to wear, and that is more matching my style. And also, if I can sell all that stuff on Lace Market, that means that it's more money to buy more dresses that also more fit my style. So yay! So I will go through all my dresses and ask myself, does that bring joy? And if not, I will put it aside and list it on Lace Market or sell it to my friends. We'll see. So if you're interested in anything that I said that I will sell, go link in the description. I will have my Lace Market linked. And I'm not putting everything into big piles because first of all, I don't have time and I don't have that much space in my room. So I'm just going to hold every dress and put it back, and I hope it won't take too long. Okay, let's go. Maybe I don't even need to take them all out because I know them, and so this one sparks a lot of joy. I'm wearing it all the time in situations where I need to wear normie clothes. Huh, this one, interesting. Meaning that I actually did not wear it last year. And it's not a Lolita dress, but it's here because it's from AP. I think I will keep it, definitely, but because it's here when I need normie clothes, I'm not thinking about it. So maybe I should put a pile of maybe. Yeah, and then go through all the maybes again. Dream dress, not selling, work at an antique shop. This one, okay, I've not worn it. It's a skirt. I actually have trouble wearing my skirts. It's gorgeous, but I think it's time to go. I don't really wear Lolita skirts anymore, and it's not my colors. So this is definitely a no that I will sell. This one, I actually wear it when I travel. So yeah, I will keep it. Okay, this one is actually one of my dream print. Even though it's a skirt, I'm kind of actively looking for, not really actively, I'm kind of looking for the GSK. I don't know. I'm not wearing it that much, but I love it. Let's say maybe. This one from Baby, I love it, I'll keep it. This one, I also like wearing it casually. This one is very different from everything that I own. So, but still, I want to keep it. This one, it's a Lisa dress, so it's not really Lolita. It's cute, but it's really not that much of my style. So I think this one I will sell it. This is my first ever Lolita piece, I'm not selling it. This one is from Access Fam. This is very comfortable, also not Lolita, but let's keep it in the maybe. Maybe I should switch it into my normie wardrobe. This one is the dress from the AliExpress video. It's a gorgeous dress. It fits me very well, but I'm kind of maybe not wanting to wear that color that much. Maybe I should try and get this one in pink. I don't really know. It's a maybe. This one. No, I think I've not worn in 2 years actually. That's why the hanger was that side. I like it, but it's not my style anymore. I don't wear it, so selling. This one, I think I was not ready to sell it before. It's the Veronica Ellis from Baby the Starshine Bright. Should I keep it? Because in case there is a baby tea party, I should wear that. I think it's kind of tight. No, I think I will sell it because it's gorgeous, but really not my style anymore. I love it, but I think it exists in mint. Should I get the mint? Yeah, maybe. If I like it that much, I should get the mint one. Or maybe it's not mint. Maybe it's a little bit like a dark teal. Maybe. I don't know. Gorgeous dress, not my style. Okay, this skirt. Also, I've not worn it in 2 years. I've been debating selling it or not because my friend Lynn made that for me. But I've not worn it. It's actually way too big for me. So I think it's better that it gets a good home, that somebody loves it and wears it, because it's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous, so selling it. This skirt is from Bodyline, and I don't wear it that much. I think I've not worn it in a year, but it's like chocolate. I could actually wear it. Let's put it in the maybe. Okay, I think I don't need to go through all my mint stuff, because actually most of them I want to keep, so I won't go there. You'll see that in my maybe video. Okay, this one I will sell because it does not bring me joy at all. It's cut weirdly and I had to pay to alter it, and still doesn't bring me joy, simply. I like actually the tone of this mint, but yeah, no. Yes, 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 yes. I'm going quickly. Actually, I'm realizing I'm not doing the conveyor method at all. I'm not taking everything, asking if it brings me joy or not. I kind of know that most of these brings me joy. Yeah, this one also, yeah. The case of this one. Also, another skirt. Like most of my skirts, I've not worn them in 2 years. This one, I love it, and actually it's way too small, and I have to wear it with a blazer or something to hide the fact that I cannot close it. And it goes with like a blazer, actually. Like for me, it's like a suit. That is Lolita, that is so perfect, and I wish I could wear it, but I cannot. So let's sell it so it could go to a good home. Oh, this one I've not worn it in a year, basically because that's kind of my casual Lolita when I wanna wear that, usually at attraction parks. Okay, this one, interesting. Well, actually, it comes with the veil, and I think I will keep the veil because I use it. So this dress, I really liked the print, but it's not my style, not my colors anymore, so I will sell it. So many dresses to sell. I mean, if I can sell all that, I'm gonna have a lot of money to buy more mint and pink stuff. This one, I've been debating how should I sell it or not for a while, but I still like it casually. Does it sparks joy though? Has stains. Let's say maybe for now. This dress is gorgeous, and I've not worn it last year yet. And I think I will still keep it because it's really pretty, and I can definitely do stuff mint and pink with this. And yeah, I think I should give it a chance. There's a lot of dresses that I was keeping for Action Lolita, actually. This one I've done the pole dance with. It's pretty, it's kind of casual, but is it really my style? But it's kind of mint and pink. Maybe I can do cute stuff with that. I don't know. Let's keep it in maybe. This is my only Hinuli dress, and it's pink, and yeah, I'll keep it. This one, I think I'm ready to sell it. It hasn't brought me joy in a while. I keep being bothered by the fact that it's white here and ivory on the rest of it. The print is very cute, but not my style anymore. Oh, this one, definitely, I've never worn it, and I don't plan to, actually. Actually, my for sale pile is too big. And the rest is just the Fluffy Tour stuff. Oh, there's the sample of Fluffy Tour, Sweet Dream Carousel. That is actually the zipper, is it? I think the zipper is broken, or is it? I don't know, yeah, the zipper is broken. It's stained because the fabric was stained. It's in pretty bad shape, so maybe I can just sell it to very cheap to somebody who is crafty and who wants to. Okay, did you hear that? That was not a good sound. Okay, that was the sound of the hanger breaking. Okay, those are actually the ones that I will keep. This is just for conventions. And whoa, this has downsized my wardrobe a lot, but I don't think that the number of dresses that you own means that your wardrobe is better than a smaller wardrobe that is actually closer to what you actually like. So I will debate in private, I think, for these maybe, but now I want to do the same for blouses. So here's my blouses, let's go through them. This I just bought, I've worn a few times. It's practical to have something blue. This one from Anna House, I love it. This one, actually, I love this one, and actually my boyfriend can wear that for OG. Yay. There's stuff I know that I want to sell and that not even here, so maybe I already took them. This, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. A lot of these might not spark so much joy, but I'm actually finding them useful. I would say like this one, when you wanna wear casual lolita in summer, like every day. Ooh, there's an issue here. I need to fix that. Yeah, you need a lot of blouses if you want to change blouses every day. So those are just practical. Not worn in a while. This is real fur, but it was my grandmother's, and I debated if I should use it, and I think I've used it once, but now I'm ready to give it up, but probably not sell to Lolita. But there's a place called Museum at in my city where they actually keep tons of dresses and costumes and everything from a lot of various time, and you can actually rent it for plays or for costumes or anything. So there, with that, there was a very old hoop skirt for my grandmother also, and I gave that to them and they were happy, so probably they would be happy about that piece too. Okay, so this one, yes, yes, this one. I keep debating if I should keep it or not, because it's a very dusty pink. That's not very the pink that I use the most, but I keep finding ways to use it for weddings or holidays. So I like it. Okay, this one, interesting. I kind of got rid of almost all my maroon dresses. Let me check. Okay, well, there's just one left. I used to have a lot of navy, maroon, and then mint, and it started to become all mint, and so I needed maroon blouses, and this one I really love how shimmery the fabric is. It's from Lady Sloth, but I'm not using it that much lately because I'm not wearing that color that much, but let's keep it. Okay, this one has been in jeopardy of being sold for so long because I've actually never ever worn it in Lolita. So let's put it in the maybe pile, and maybe I will wear it because it's so pretty. I should wear it in my normie wardrobe, but I don't know. Okay, this one goes with the skirt that you've seen before from Badeline, and actually I've not worn it either in a while, so it will go as a set. There was a beret also with it. Okay, yes, so those blouses from Lady Sloth, you cannot see that. Like the one I'm wearing, I have it in red, in brown, in navy, in pink. So 4 of them, and maybe I will get more because they're so pretty. This one I have not worn in a year either, and it's silver. And I bought it at Closet Child. It's from Access Femme, and it's gorgeous. So I bought it because it was gorgeous and cheap, because Access Femme is very cheap, but I've not worn it in a year and I'm not really sure what to do with it because it doesn't go with a lot of things in my wardrobe, so I will sell it. I'm happy because a lot of those pieces are actually good, pretty, and I'm sure people will love them. It's weird, but that's one of my favorite pieces in my whole wardrobe. It's a blazer and it's black and it's so comfortable, and I paid it $5 at Bodyline. So yes. So this is the hoodie that goes with the dress that I think it's also in the maybe pile. It's from Angelique Pretty. It's a parka, and because it's so shiny, and actually I don't wear it with Lolita that much, so I should wear it for traveling or something. So also maybe pile, maybe it will go into my Nomi wardrobe. I don't know, we'll see. Bloomers. So I have this gorgeous pair of bloomers that is mint and chocolate. It does bring me joy when I look at it, but I think it's a bit tight. You know what? I think it would be perfect as OG shorts because it's completely lined. It's a super cute fabric. I don't know if you can see. So it's not like it's transparent or anything. And oh my god, I could be a sweet OG. Let's keep that for OG actually, because I'm not wearing it that much as bloomers because, like I said, it's a bit tight, but oh my god, it's so cute. I think I could do something super cute. Or maybe my boyfriend could be sweet OG with me because he started to wear OG to sell at conventions with me. Yay. So let's keep this, definitely. Other bloomers. Basically, I have a bunch of bloomers, but I'm always wearing the same ones. So I have this one that is from Innocent World, and I think it's comfortable. Maybe it's a bit tight here, but it's so long that it does peek out, and it's black, and actually I don't wear it that much. So would it actually also be good for OG? I will ask my friend Lou Graves if I could do that, because it's actually long enough, and it's actually also thick enough to not look too much like underwear. Let's consider that. The other two, this one, I'm a little bit afraid to show you. Look at, they have holes so big. Is it destroyed beyond repair? And also the elastic is turning. But in summer, under dresses, skirts, it's so comfortable. This bloomer is actually from Lady Sloth. I received for modeling from Lady Sloth, and my other bloomer that I'm wearing all the time is also from Lady Sloth, and it's bigger and white, and I'm wearing it all the time. And so I need more bloomers because, like I said, if you want to wear a lot of Lolita, you need to be able to change your underwear, like blouses and bloomers, a lot because you sweat in them. So that's why I had mini. But also I have this one. I think this one is from Closet Child. Is it? There's no name. I think they sold it at Closet Child. Yeah, and it says F, like for free size. And it's kind of tiny. It does stretch. I could fit it, but I think it was a bit too small, like tight and not that comfortable, so that's why I'm not wearing it that much. So yeah, I think I will be selling it because it's better to have stuff that you can wear. Like the other one completely destroyed, at least I'm wearing it because it's comfortable. Instead of having that in my wardrobe for, I'm pretty sure I've not worn it in 2 years, so there's no point of keeping it. This is what I wear when I wanted to do something steampunky, very cheap, from Bodyline. Not worn it in a while, but this is maybe something I should keep, and those two are OG stuff. I have a lot of bigger accessories and all my small accessories over there, and wigs and bags and stuff like that, but I think maybe this video is long enough to stop here. And I will record my wardrobe videos. I decided of not showing you every single dresses because basically you've seen for at least 3 years, 4 years my wardrobe posts. You've seen all my dresses well shown, and the new stuff you've seen me unbox them. So basically you've seen everything I own. And I decided to do like a top 5 of all my dresses, all my blouses, all my big accessories and stuff. And so maybe when I will go through the rest to show you the top 5 accessories, and at that point I will also look through if I need to sell anything. So if you want to see all that, all my wardrobe stuff, click over there because I will have a whole playlist of my 2020 wardrobe. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!